Hi everyone! Today I'm going to be doing some half up, half down hairstyles that are super cute and perfect for spring. Please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel and let me know down in the comments what you'd like to see in future videos. Now, let's get to the video.
Okay, so the first hairstyle I'm going to be doing is just a basic half up, half down pony. I start with my hair parted over my left eye and I take a section of hair just roughly above the top of my ears and brush it back till it's in the middle of my head. Then I grab an elastic and I put it into a ponytail. Then once it's in the ponytail, I mess with it a bit and push it forward just to loosen up the ponytail so it's not quite so slicked back. Then once I'm happy with how it looks, I go to the front and pull out some pieces just to make it look a little bit messier. Okay, so this next hairstyle is similar to the first one. It's another half up, half down ponytail, but this time I'm going to be brushing it straight back rather than having a part. So I take the same amount of hair and section it off just above my ears again and brush it straight back and then put it in an elastic so it's in the ponytail. Then I push it forward a bit just to loosen it up again, and I actually take a bobby pin on this one and put it into the elastic just to make the pony stand up a bit more and give it a bit more volume. Next, I'm going to be doing a French braid into a ponytail. I start by sectioning off a small section of hair at the front of my head, and then I begin to French braid backwards. With a French braid, you take the middle section and put it underneath the two outer sections, and each time you do one row of the braid, you add hair on each side. I pretty much do 3 or 4 rows of the braid before I section it off and put it into a ponytail and an elastic. Once it's secured, then I push it forward a bit to loosen it and pull out any pieces that I don't like how they're looking just to make it look even. Once it's looking how I want it to look, then I go to the front and I pull out a few strands just to make it look a little bit messier. This next hairstyle I'm going to start by parting my hair down the middle and then brushing it out. Then I'm going to take half of my hair and put it in a scrunchie just so it doesn't get in the way while I'm working with the other half of my hair. I'm going to start by picking up a small section of hair at the front of my head and then separating that into 3 sections and starting to Dutch braid. A Dutch braid is similar to a French braid in the sense that you're adding hair in each time you go back, but the difference is that the middle strand is going over top of the outside strands. So I do the Dutch braid back until I get to the middle of my head, and then I secure it in a small elastic in a ponytail. Then I'm going to do the exact same thing on the other side. So I take the scrunchie out and then I start to Dutch braid and I go back until I'm at the back of my head and then secure it in a ponytail. Then I push the braids around just to loosen them up if I need to, or if I need to make them look more even. Hairstyle number 5 is a continuation of hairstyle number 4. You're still going to have the 2 Dutch braids going back, but what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take the outside sections of each of the links of the braids and pull them out and pancake them so the braid gets fatter and looser. Then once I've done that, I'm going to take the 2 ponytails and pull them back at the back of my head with a big elastic into one big ponytail. Once it's secured, I'm going to push and pull at it just to loosen it a bit and get it so it looks how I want it to look. For the next hairstyle, I'm going to start by brushing my hair back. Then I'm going to section off my hair just above my ears and brush it into a ponytail at the top of the back of my head. Then once it's in the ponytail, I'm going to pull it through on the last round of the elastic and make kind of a loopy bun. Then I'm going to pull it so I get the shape that I want and then push the hair forward a little bit so it loosens. Once it's looking how I want it to look, then I'm going to pull out some strands at the front of my head just to make it look a little bit messier. For hairstyle number 7, I'm going to start by parting my hair down the middle and brushing it out. Then I'm going to take the one side and I'm going to begin a twist. So I'm going to take a small section at the front of my head and separate it into 2 pieces. Then I'm going to twist those strands around each other one time and add a piece of hair in on each side, each twist that I do. I'm going to continue this until I get to the back of my head and then stop picking up hair and twist all the way to the end of the hair. Then I'm going to put a small elastic on it to secure it, and I'm going to take a bobby pin to pin it at the back of my head to keep it out of the way while I do the other side. Then I'm going to repeat the same thing on the other side. I'm going to take a small section of hair at the front of my head and then twist it back, adding in pieces of hair each time. Once that twist is complete, I'm going to take the bobby pin out of the back of my head and then twirl that piece that was waiting at the back around, and then I'm going to put the two together into a big elastic to make a ponytail at the back of my head. Once it's in the ponytail, I'm going to take the small elastics out and then brush through the hair. Then I'm going to push the hair forward and loosen it up however I think I need to make it look even and look how I want it to look. For my next hairstyle, I'm going to start by parting my hair over my left eye. Then I'm going to take a small section of hair and separate that into two pieces. Then I'm going to begin to twist, and each time I twist, I'm only going to put hair in on the front section of the twist. I'm going to go back until about the top of my ear, and then I'm going to stop pulling hair in. Then I'm going to keep twisting until I've only got a little bit of hair left on the end, and I'm going to take two bobby pins and pin it to the side of my head, crisscrossing the bobby pins so that it's secure. Okay, so this next hairstyle has a lot of steps to it, so bear with me, but it ends up looking really cool at the end. I'm going to start by sectioning off my hair at the tops of my ears all the way to the back of my head. Then I'm going to tip my head over, and any of the hair that's not in that section I'm going to secure in a scrunchie down at the bottom of the back of my head. Then I'm going to start by taking a small section of the hair that's not in the scrunchie and separating it into three pieces and then beginning a French braid. To recap, French braid is when you take the middle section and put it underneath the two outer sections. I'm going to French braid back, adding hair in until I get to the top of the back of my head, and then I'm going to take a big elastic and secure the braid in that. Next, I'm going to take the hair out of the scrunchie and then take a small section on the one side of my head and separate that into two pieces. Then I'm going to start to twist backwards, and I'm going to take pieces of hair into the twist on each side every time I twist. Once I get to the back of my head in line with where the ponytail from the French braid is, I'm going to stop taking hair into the twist but continue to twist all the way to the end of the hair. Then I'm going to take a small elastic and secure this twist. Once the twist has been secured, then I'm going to pull it up towards the ponytail, take the big elastic out, and then combine the two sections together. Once I have that hair secured in the ponytail, I'm going to do the exact same thing on the other side. So I'm going to start with a section of hair separated into two pieces and then twist all the way back to the back of my head. Then I'm going to take the big elastic out and combine the second twist with both the French braid and the first twist. Once I get them in a ponytail, I'm going to take the small elastic out of the first twist. Then I'm going to loosen the hair if I need to make it look how I want it to look. Hairstyle 10 is basically the same as hairstyle 9. The only difference is that I'm going to make a loopy bun instead of a ponytail. So all I'm going to do is loosen the hair elastic and then pull the hair through to make the loopy bun. For the last hairstyle in this video, I'm going to start by parting my hair in the middle. Then I'm going to take a small section on one side at the front of my head and separate that into three pieces. Then I'm going to start to Dutch braid back, and I'm going to add a section of hair in on each side each time that I do the braid. Once I get to the top of my head, I'm going to stop pulling hair in and just braid all the way to the ends of my hair. Then I'm going to secure this with a small elastic. Once the hair is secured, I'm going to start pancaking the braid by pulling out the outer edges to make it looser. Once I've done this all the way up the braid, I'm going to start to twist it around itself to make a little bun. Once it's in the bun shape, I'm going to grab 2 bobby pins and then pin it how I want it to sit. Once the bun is secured, I'm going to do the exact same thing to the other side. So I'm going to grab a small section of hair at the front of my head, separate it into 3 pieces, and then do a Dutch braid. Once I'm done the braid, I'm going to pancake it and then turn it into a bun and pin it so it's secure. I think this hairstyle turned out super cute, and like all of the other ones, I think it's great for spring.
I hope you all enjoyed this video, and thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel if you want to see more videos like these. Thanks!